garbage processing complex in Almaty. Gas and smoke screen that shields a big and beautiful city. It can be seen every day in the outskirts of Almaty. Not only abundance of traffic is the cause of polluting smoke, combustion of domestic waste on dumping polygons near Almaty contributes also. For many years now, garbage has been removed from the city to this place and dumped chaotically here. Organic waste is mixed here with inorganic garbage. The first are prone to rot, then gas that is discharged as a result can make garbage flare up. Combustion of solid domestic waste produces toxic substances that have composition similar to a combat toxic agent. Caustic smoke causes disorders in respiratory system, exacerbation of cardiovascular diseases, and development of various allergic reactions. The problem of solid domestic waste is critical throughout the world. Kazakhstan is not exclusion. There are many industrial, commercial, public service and other enterprises in Almaty. Recently, waste generation has grown significantly. From 650 to 700,000 tons of solid waste are generated in the city annually. The issue of its sorting and procession is being decided by Torma Ecology Company. In December 2007, the company opened a garbage processing complex with a rated productivity of 450,000 tons of solid waste a year. It is located within the city boundaries. Therefore, it is at most close to the source of inputs, since solid domestic waste is the main input for the manufacture. As of today, this complex is out and out in Kazakhstan and the highest capacity enterprise of its kind in the territory of the CIS. Functioning of the complex, by the way, provides job for professional specialists and draws unoccupied population in the production sphere. The plant is equipped exclusively with outfits made by the leading Western companies that have decades-long experience in production of garbage processing equipment. This is done for the only purpose to have competitive production. Imaba Iberica of Spain, processing line equipment for garbage sorting shops. German Herbold, PET flex and polyethylene granule production equipment. And Technoplastic of Italy, with its equipment for production of polyester sealing tape, are among providers. The garbage processing complex consists of two main production sections. Garbage sorting shop. Upon delivery to the plant, solid waste first of all passes a weighing station. Necessary input data is fixed here. Then solid waste is unloaded in two zones, the main A zone and additional I zone. Further, waste is evenly loaded on three lamellate conveyors that transport solid waste further to the large-size platform. The waste that needs to be sorted is unloaded in the main A zone. In addition, unloading of waste in the second zone that delivers it to the end press without sorting is provided. This scheme helps to exclude any failure in the city's sanitary cleaning system in case of preventive repair of any sorting line. Withdrawal of large-size waste and cardboard boxes that impedes the main sorting process takes place in the large-size zone. Separation of organic waste and fine fractions like city sweep, dry leaves, sand, fine broken glass and etc. up to 90 mm in size takes place in the sifter section. It prepares garbage for main sorting process. Further, there is a zone intended for the main sorting of utilizable refuse fractions: paper, cardboard, spoiled sheet, PET bottle, high-pressure polyethylene and low-pressure polyethylene, polypropylene, glass, non-ferrous metals. Utilizable refuse components get in bunkers where they are accumulated and, as the need arises, are pushed by conveyors to the laminate conveyor that provides the press of utilizable refuse components. This press is used to briquette all light utilizable refuse fractions like paper, cardboard, and plastic. Automatic separation of ferrous metals takes place here also with the help of magnetic separators. Then, non-utilizable refuse fractions after sorting are delivered by conveyors to one or two end presses, and after pressing, tying in high-density briquettes, they are sent to the polygon for burial. The advantage is that waste briquettes occupy 6 times less place in the polygon than thrown away garbage. These advantages are very topical at present, as garbage polygons are now all overfilled. Moreover, accidental combustion is absolutely ruled out in such conditions of refuse storage. Production shop. Complementary manufacture for processing of sorted recyclable materials. Plastic waste here gets second life. This is especially important presently as derivative utilization of materials settles a number of environmental protection issues. Less primary raw material is needed and pollution of water and soil decreases. The shop is outfitted with state-of-the-art equipment, therefore products of the shop meet world quality standards. Items made from recyclable materials produced in the plant are used in everyday life as well as in construction. 3 independent lines work at the shop simultaneously. PET line. Its final products, high-quality PET flexes, represent material ready for utilization. PET bottles are processed here. The process includes washing, splitting, separation from cables and lids, chemical washing, drying, and this all works in automatic regime. PE line for production of high-pressure and low-pressure polyethylene granules. The line is intended for processing of polyethylene sacks, bags, package, and etc. Automatic technological stages of splitting, washing, crumbling, drying, and extrusion also take place here. Production line for polyester sealing tape. Sealing tapes of about 10 types and sizes with plain as well as corrugated surface are produced on this line. There is also a unit in the line that can give any needed color to a tape. Specific responsibility rests with the plant's laboratory. Its main function is to control the process of high-quality production. The well-equipped laboratory allows to determine quality of products promptly. It also works on its permanent improvement. Garbage processing complex in Almaty.